Good morning and welcome, Team Southside, where teamwork makes the dream work. Mr. Reynolds here.
And Miss D, and we have some amazing third graders that are joining us.
Hadley Abbott from Miss Ritchie's class. Kyler Moore from Miss Ritchie's class.
All right, and they are here to help us out. So let's go ahead and stand up and say the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, well, it was so good to see everybody at school yesterday, and we hope you are having a fabulous week so far. Well, today we are here with a brand new clue for our Mystery. So if you remember, we had this tiny vase with these tiny eggs, and your job was to figure out how many eggs are inside of the vase. Now, we've already given you 2 clues, even though it's early on in the week, you already have 2 clues. So, Kyler, what was one of our clues that you remember?
It was between 30 and 90.
Exactly. So
Very
the
good.
amount of eggs was in between 30 and 90. And we had one more clue as well.
It was less than a multiple of 3.
Okay, so it was 1 less than a multiple of 3. Perfect, Hadley. So when you skip count by your 3s and you think of multiples of 3, think about those numbers in between 30 and 90, and then you'll take away 1 from those numbers, and that could lead you to our official number. Well, now Mr. Reynolds has another clue that can help you zone in your estimate.
Yes, I would like for you to eliminate
Ooh.
all of the odd numbers.
Oh, okay. Do you guys know what it means to eliminate?
Yeah.
What does it mean to eliminate something?
Like disclude it.
Oh, good word for that.
Ooh,
Yes, go
nice.
Hadley. So that means do not include or disclude those numbers. So you're eliminating all of the, which ones, Mr. Reynolds?
All of the odd numbers.
Okay, you're eliminating all of those odd numbers. Okay, so you've got 3 clues to hopefully help you out when you are finalizing your estimate. So best of luck to you. Okay, if you guys haven't noticed, the leaves are falling. We've got a nice chilly breeze that's coming in the air, which means hopefully you are going to start bringing jackets and coats because the weather
Sweatshirts.
is turning sweatshirts a little bit cooler. So we have a friendly reminder for you, okay? Make sure you put your name inside of your jacket, your sweatshirt somewhere. A lot of you have a little tag on the back. If you put your name on it, then if it somehow ends up in the lost and found, we can get it back to you.
Yeah, right before or while you guys were gone on fall break, I cleaned up all the lost and found, and unfortunately there were 2 big garbage bags full of people's clothes that people just didn't claim.
And those are like good clothes,
And they
right,
cost
Mr.
a lot of
Reynolds?
money. Your parents had to work hard to
Yeah,
get
those
those clothes
jackets
for
get
you.
expensive.
So if you'll put your name on the tag or have your parents put your name on the tag, we can get it back to the right person and not have to
Yes.
donate those items.
Absolutely. So make sure you do that so we can keep up and be responsible. Keep up with them as much as you can. All right, so we know around Southside lately, it's been a little different if you haven't heard
Yeah,
already.
Noisy sometimes.
Maybe a little bit
You guys know what's going on?
noisy.
Yeah.
What's going on?
It's getting louder.
Why though? What's happening? Well, back in the spring, we had a big storm and it caused some damage to the roof of our building. And so now they are replacing our roof. So all that noise you hear is about people working up on the roof of the building to replace the roof of our building. And so sometimes you'll hear some loud bangs, and it's just them doing their work.
Yeah, and that's an important job that these construction workers have because now we can get a brand new roof here at Southside and it's going to look really, really good. So we know that it can be a little bit loud and a little noisy, but just know they're fixing our roof and they are going to make it look so good. So please do your very best to just be flexible, try to listen, just kind of roll with it, and it will be done soon enough. So thank you guys so much.
They've told us that if the weather stays good, they expect to be done in about a month. So
That would be great.
Yeah.
So when you see maybe some construction workers or hear some loud bangs or maybe some screwing of things coming in, don't worry. They're just making our roof look really, really good. All right. Anything else, Mr. Reynolds, that we forgot?
I think that's it for today.
I think we got it all. So you guys know we love seeing you be here at Southside. We had a great break last week, but now it is time to be back at school, ready to listen and ready to learn. So make sure you are continuing to be safe, respectful, and responsible. And
It's always a great day to be at Southside Stallion.
bye, y'all.